Alright, so let's go through checkpoint 2 of the sound. So in the figure show, right, row 1 shows the undisturbed position, right? So this row 1 is actually no sound, before sound. After that, row 2 shows the after sound. So this is after. Okay, so what is the amplitude and what is the wavelength of the sound wave? So for this, is very similar to checkpoint 1. So very first thing, we try to always identify where is the rarefaction and compression by looking at the before and after. So before here, right? Then after, the particle is also here. So this will be known as your rarefaction. Right? So same thing for the compression wise is before is here, after is here. So this is known as your compression. So last but not least, this is your, okay, this will be known as your rarefaction. Okay, so let's first determine what is our amplitude first. So amplitude, right, if you look at the very left hand side of the picture, so look at this picture. So the very first particle is here. So this first particle is actually moving towards the left hand side after the sound wave propagates through the medium, right? So this is the same particle. So you can see that this will be known as your amplitude. So this is amplitude. So since one big box is 2 centimeter, so the amplitude is C or D. Okay, after that, let's determine what is the wavelength. So wavelength is from one rarefaction to the other rarefaction. So from here until here. So from here to here, right, roughly there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 boxes. So 8 multiplied by 2 centimeter will be 16 centimeter. So the answer will be D for Denmark again. Okay, so of course, let's go through checkpoint 3. This one is an O-level question, but I forget which year already. So the diagram shows a part of a long stretch spring. So a longitudinal wave is traveling along the spring. So a point on the spring move backward and forward between two positions that are 1 centimeter apart. Which row describe the wave? Okay, so very first is, okay, let's determine the amplitude first. So looking at this sentence right here, so a point move forward that backward, right? Okay, so what do they mean by this? Okay, so imagine that I have 3 positions, 1, 2, 3. So they say that, a point, right, move forward and backward that is 1 centimeter apart, means it's from here to here. So that's 1 centimeter apart. So this point on the spring will move maybe from here. Then after that, from here, the maximum point, then to the another maximum point. So this is 1 centimeter. So what is the amplitude? So the amplitude is actually from the maximum point to the EQM. So it's not 1 centimeter, it's actually 0.5 centimeter. Alright, so the answer is either A or B. It's definitely not C and D. Okay, so what about the wavelength? Okay, wavelength, by looking at the picture, right? So this will be compression, this will be compression also, right? Of course, the middle is the rarefaction. So the wavelength will be 12 centimeter, right? So the answer will be A for Argentina.